Hello everyone. Welcome to Certification Guide. In this video we will discuss ServiceNow Certified System Administrator, CSA, Questions and Answers Part 3. Let's start. 1. If users would like to locate and assign a task to themselves in the platform, what action could they perform from the list view to make the assignment? Choose 2 answers. A. Select the record using the checkbox, then select the person icon. B. Double-click on the Assign to value, type the name of the user, and select the green check. C. Select the record using the checkbox, then select the Assign to Me UI action on the list header. D. Right-click on the task number and select the Assign to Me option in the menu. E. Select the task number, and select the Assign to Me UI action on the form. Answer, D and E. Next question. 2. In what order are access controls evaluated? A. Field level, most general to most specific, then row level, most specific to most general. B. Table level, most specific to most general, then row level, most specific to most general. C. Table level, most specific to most general, then field level most specific to mass general. D. Field level, most specific to most general, then table level, most specific to most general. Answer, D. Next question. 3. From a form, what would you click to modify the order of the fields on the form? Choose 2 answers. A. Context menu configure form layout. B. Context menu form layout. C. Right-click on header configure form design. D. Context menu configure form designer. E. Right-click on header configure UX dashboard. Answer, A and C. Next question. 4. Which module would you use to customize your instance's banner image, text, and colors? A. System all pages branding. B. System properties branding. C. System properties basic configuration UI. D. Service portals branding. Answer, D. Next question. 5. A service catalog project will involve building 80 catalog items. For each of the catalog items, the following fields will be mandatory on the forms. Requested for, requested by, approving manager and delivery instructions. All of the other variables will be specific to the individual catalog item. What features would you use when designing the catalog item form? A. Create one variable set for the 4 variables, then add that variable set to each of the 80 catalog items. B. Create a record producer that contains the 4 fields, then add to the record producer related list on the catalog files. C. Create a flow designer action, with variable set data pill, then apply flow to all of the 80 catalog items. D. Create an order guide, which includes all variables, then copy and hide variables as needed. E. Create a variable set template, then apply to all of the catalog items. Answer, A. Next question. 6. User records are stored in which table? A. User sys_user. B. User sn_user. C. User u_sys_user. D. User s_user. Answer, A. Next question. 7. A new employee joins the IT deployment and needs to perform work assigned to network and hardware groups. How would you set up their access? Choose 3 answers. A. Add user account to IT group. B. Add user account to ACL. C. Add user account to network group. D. Add user account to IT knowledge base. E. Create user account. F. Add user account to hardware group. Answer: B, C, and F. 8. Which ServiceNow utility gives a service desk agent the ability to trace from a service having an issue, to see which sys supporting that service have active issues? A. AL Service Dashboard. B. CL Health Dashboard. C. Dependency View. D. Event Management Homepage. Answer: B. Before going to next question, please subscribe the channel. Next question. 9. What are the benefits of building flows using Flow Designer? Choose 3 answers. A. Supports easy integration with third-party systems. B. Provides IDE for complicated scripting. C. Provides natural language descriptions of flow logic. D. Supports no-code application development. E. Automatically populates SLA records. F. Provides built-in libraries/API for complex coding. Answer: A, C and D. Next question. 10. What features are available in knowledge management to support continuous improvement on the knowledge articles? Choose 4 answers. A. Submit KB errata. B. Add comments. C. Click frowning icon. D. Tag as helpful. E. Flag article. F. Rate with stars. Answer: B, D, E, and F. Next question. 11. When importing data, what happens to imported rows, if no coalesce field is specified? A. All rows are rejected from the import, as coalesce field is required. B. All rows are treated as new records. No existing records are updated. C. Duplicate rows are rejected from the import. D. All rows are treated as new records, but errors will be flagged in the import log. Answer: D. Next question. 12. Which tool should be used to populate commonly used fields in a form? A. Template. B. Reference qualifier. C. Formatter. D. Assignment rule. Answer: A. Next question. 13. When designing a flow, how do you reference data from a record in that flow? A. Drag the table icon onto the flow definition. B. Use the condition builder to specify the desired values. C. Specify the source table on the data pill related list. D. Drag the data pill onto the flow definition. E. Add the table reference using the slush bucket. Answer: D. Next question. 14. When moving multiple update sets at one time, what might you do to facilitate the move? A. Batch. B. Verify. C. Test. D. Preview. Answer: A. Next question. 15. Which tool is used to define relationships between fields in an import set table and a target table? A. Transform schema. B. Schema map. C. Dictionary map. D. Transform map. E. Field transformer. F. Import designer. Answer, D. Next question. 16. On a form header, what icon would you click to access template features? A. Paperclip. B. More options. C. Stamp. D. Context menu. Answer, B. Next question. 17. When a flow runs an action, it generates a runtime value, which stays the same for the duration of the flow. What is the name of this runtime value? A. Trigger runtime value. B. Sequence runtime value. C. Starting runtime value. D. Data pill runtime value. E. Input runtime value. Answer, D. Next question. 18. Your customer requires that they be able to monitor which users are performing impersonations in their instance. What would you do to meet that requirement? A. Add the role log right sn_log_right to the impersonator group. B. Create user update set for impersonation tracking. C. Activate the glide.sys.log_impersonation prop. D. From user icon, select elevate roles. E. On the impersonator role record, right-click and select create log. Answer, C. Next question. 19. The wait time for end users is based on the round trip between the client and the server. What activities are included in the round trips? A. Request plus response. B. Save plus update. C. Write plus read. D. Submit plus query. E. Insert plus verify. Answer, A. Next question. 20. A role is defined as what? A. A collection of permissions. B. A set of user access policies. C. A persona in a workflow. D. A set of access control rules. Answer, A. In I button you will get the playlist of ServiceNow CSA Exam. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe our channel.